Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Have you successfully installed macOS on your Hackintosh, but your Ethernet internet connection, is it not working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to identify your Ethernet controller, download the correct Kext, install it using OpenCore, and get your internet working again. Let's get started. Identify your Ethernet controller. First, we need to identify which Ethernet chipset your motherboard uses. You can find this information by checking your motherboard specifications. I'm using Z310 motherboard, and you'll have to find out the LAN details Hackin tool, and it'll probably need to be right-clicked and opened on the first time that you open it. So, what I want to go to is PCI devices, and then I'll go down the list of PCI devices. Ethernet controller. Look here what device name is displayed, RTL810XE. Write down your Ethernet model before continuing. Download the correct Kext. Now download the appropriate Ethernet Kext. Go to this website, kext.me. Browse by category, go here. After that, select the network. Realtek RTL8100. Select this and download it. Add the Kext to OC auxiliary tools. Next, mount your EFI partition. Open your EFI folder and navigate to EFI Open OC Open Kexts. Copy the downloaded Ethernet Kext into this Kexts folder. Then open your config.plist using OC auxiliary tools. Update config.plist. In OC auxiliary tools, go to Kernel and add. The easiest method is to use OC auxiliary tools. Click the plus button on the right side, select your OC folder. After that, go to this Kext folder. Add the new Ethernet Kext entry to config.plist. Save and reboot. Save the config.plist file. Safely eject the EFI partition and restart your Hackintosh. Once macOS boots up, open System Settings Arrow Network. If everything was done correctly, your Ethernet adapter should now appear and connect to the internet automatically. And that's it! You now know how to install Ethernet Kexts on a Hackintosh and fix internet problems after installing macOS. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your motherboard model if you need additional help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.